Hey guys, thought I'd do a little comparison today of my Taurus 809 and a Glock 19. Picked up this Glock 19 blue gun. These two guns are pretty similar in size. Probably about a 3/8 to 1/4 inch difference in length. Width-wise, the slide's going to be a little more narrow on the 809, and the grip, the 809 is a bit thinner, a little less capacity. The Taurus 809 with the standard magazine holds 13 rounds plus one in the chamber versus Glock 19 15 plus one. The Taurus has a manual safety and a decocker and a hammer, whereas your Glock 19 is striker fired. But mainly I want to do a size comparison. See, the grips, the overall heights are about the same, so they're real pretty similar. The Taurus has a little bit of an angle and a grip here, so if you're carrying it, that corner is going to show a little less, going to print a little less. Some other things, the sights, like the sight radius on the Glock is a bit longer. Slide's a bit longer too though. On the Taurus you got genuine Novak sights, and the Glock, if this was a genuine Glock, not a blue gun, it'd have plastic sights on it, and you could see that. One thing why I probably would never own a Glock is because of the finger grooves. My fingers do not line up with these finger grooves at all. As you can see, middle of my finger is almost right on top of the high spot there. So that's one reason I would never own a Glock. The 809 finger grooves line up pretty good. So if you got bigger hands, see if you take a large to extra large glove, probably better off with an 809 as far as the finger grooves go. So there you go guys, a little size comparison. Of course the Taurus is double single action, and your Glock 19 is more like a double action. The trigger pull is the same every time. So there it is guys, take it easy.